There are over 20 wild dogs in this pack. It's a huge family, and that's one thing that distinguishes wild dogs from most other predators. This is also where the lion clans live and roam just a few hundred meters downstream. There is a lost female looking for her clan. She carries her cub and tries to cross the river for now, though she is currently unsuccessful. It is impossible to fight all of these predators at once, so his last chance to save himself was to attack one of them and try to kill him. Her plan was successful, and the family lost one of its members. But she must now return to his family. This lioness had gone out alone and found herself right in the middle of the pack of wild dogs. She had been trapped by over 15 of them. They tried to wear her down.